I believe that the basics is the key in order to fully understand greater things. In this video, we will talk about what is Arduino. There are a lot of things to think about when it comes to making your own robotic devices. You must choose the type of project you want to work on as well as the type of code that will assist you in completing the task. The Arduino platform is one of the best choices available. When we talk about Arduino, we are talking about programmable open source software and a microcontroller that uses the 80 mega device. Although it is intended to be more on prototyping tool, this program has a lot of followers when it comes to creating electronic projects. The Arduino board can also be programmed using the Arduino software, which is relatively simple to use even for those who are just getting started with this type of software. If you have ever used the C++ or Java programming language, you'll notice that the Arduino programming language is very close. The concept behind using this program is intended to be very basic, but it also has a lot of power, making it ideal for both experienced users and those who are just getting started. Arduino is also an open source framework which ensures that anybody can use it for free and modify the code to meet their own needs. Beginners can appreciate the Arduino community's size in addition to the fact that many of the codes they want to use are already available and created. You'll be able to go online and search forums and groups to ask personal questions about your project. Learn new things and even watch videos like this to make working with Arduino easier than ever before. The Arduino platform is extremely powerful, but it is also very easy to use. You'll notice that there are only two main components to this framework. Number one, the hardware. There are a variety of Arduino boards to choose from, and your choice will depend on the type of project you are working on. For entry level, these are some of the Arduino products that is easy to use and ready to power your creative projects. Even though they are not the same in shape and size, these boards are similar with each other in terms of programming language and their functionality. To understand the Arduino quickly, we will just focus on Arduino Uno. Number 2, the software. This is the framework that you will use for the board, or the IDE, and it will run on your own machine. The IDE will assist you in uploading and writing the programming codes that you want to be relayed to the Arduino board. When you have finished writing your programs on the board and transferred them over, the Arduino board should behave in the way you have specified. These parts will be able to work together to help you complete the project successfully. You must first ensure that you have some hardware in place, such as Arduino board, and that is response to the commands you may send through the program. We will spend more time talking about the different things you can do with the program to get your project running later. But all this will need to be set up to ensure that the message from the IDE get the board and function properly. Before you can write any code with the Arduino, you must first install the IDE. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment, or Arduino IDE, is an open source software that enables you to write code and upload it to the hardware. Since it is open source, the IDE for this software is free. When writing codes, you will use the Arduino programming language, which is simple to learn and compatible with all your computer's operating system. The Arduino platform will be able to assist you if you are new to programming or want to use some your existing skills to create fantastic electronic or robotic project. It has all the strength you need with a simple context that allows even the most inexperienced user to understand and accomplish their goals. So what am I able to do with Arduino? When you first see the Arduino programming language, one of the first things that comes to mind is what you can do with it. With the power of Arduino, you can do a lot with your robotics, and if you're just getting started with your own electronic learning process or want to try something different, this is the best tool to use. You can use the board to make noises, blink lights, and send out signals to LCD what is shown on the screen ahead of it, and so much more. We will spend some time looking at some of the various Arduino projects so that you can get a better understanding of what you can do with this awesome language. So here's another question. What is it that Arduino can't do? As previously stated, the Arduino platform allows you to accomplish a lot of things, but it also allows you to accomplish other things that you weren't able to do. For starters, the Arduino language doesn't have a lot of processing power. So if you want to do something that requires a lot of processing power, you won't be able to accomplish it on the Arduino platform. The code will not tell the computer what to do once it is written. Rather, your computer will send this code to the Arduino board, which will react in the manner you choose. So that is it for this video. Please check the links in the description below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.